Hey, guys, you gotta follow me into this booth. I just found the coolest folding 8K micro LED TV. Follow me. There is a TV inside of this folding thing here, guys. Look. CEDIA.
Good to see you. How you been?
Oh, I've been great, man. I heard that you have this insane 137-inch folding TV.
Watch the magic happen. The one thing I will just...
What am I even looking at here, Larry?
So you're looking at a handmade, hand-built in Austria, 137-inch CC. This is actually the indoor N1. The indoor and outdoor N1 are going to be the exact same form factor. A couple of key differentiators. Number one, this one is going to produce 1,000 nits. The outdoor unit's going to produce 4,000 nits. Number two, every outdoor build is the exact same build that we're going to use in a yacht. So whether it's going into your backyard, whether it's going into a ski chalet, whether it's going oceanside, or whether it's actually going onto a yacht, the guts, for lack of a better word, are going to be exactly the same. Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
It's crazy to see. I'm so glad I came by to check this thing out.
Yeah, I'm glad that.
Is it stuck there, or is this just on intentionally?
Well,
to kind of show it as like a piece of art?
Yeah. So we can't open and close this. I've been having to police around back here because we don't have conduit down right now.
Oh,
somebody steps on one of those wires, it becomes a bad day pretty fast.
This is so cool. So what I'm seeing is basically like an art sculpture on top of the ground, but I believe this unit can go in the ground, right? You can like completely hide it so that you can like see your view and like put it away.
Yeah,
okay.
So our HLR and our vertical units, they actually integrate directly into the ground. You'd have to have a third party excavate, build out a vault for you.
Yeah.
We don't handle that for a whole host of reasons. Number one, there's just no way that we're going to know every local code.
No, we can handle that as Dreamedia. Yeah.
So, but this one here, actually the idea here is, again, looks like a contemporary sculpture, but also sits low enough to where if this is an indoor installation, kind of goes below the windowsill, you get to appreciate that beautiful view. Indoors and outdoors as well. People who can afford to buy a CC, they're going to, generally speaking, have a panoramic view, whether it's the mountains, whether it's the ocean, whatever it may be, downtown of a city. You want to be able to enjoy that view. You paid for it.
Yeah.
So the idea that it closes and opens really kind of lends itself to our value proposition as a whole.
And I just really love this finish, this like powder coated blue that you guys have done on it. So they can get any color powder coated for their unit?
Yeah, that's a great question. Glad you brought that up. So we brought blue this year for that reason. Let's just step over here because...
Oh, she's coming up.
Yeah, I want to be respectful.
This is going to be crazy. Okay, this is what I came for.
Absolutely. And, you know, people are all around our booth right now as we speak. Everybody wants to grab the video of this to show to their clients. So, but yeah, this blue in particular, we decided to break out a different color this year for a couple of reasons. Number one, because again, when you get into this price point, people are very specific about the way that they want to have their homes designed. And, you know, some people don't like that black or that titanium silver. They want to go with something that has a little more flavor to it. And that blue really pops. Couple of things to think about on the back end. We need 240 volts. We want to have a dedicated circuit, so 30, 40 amps or so. If you don't have 240 running there, we can accommodate that with a transformer. So,
oh, really?
Yeah, multiple ways to do that. We strongly recommend going with a UPS as well. So
yeah.
We're agnostic as far as that's concerned, but I mean, I can certainly point you in the right direction in terms of like UPS companies out there.
Because that may become an issue in certain, like the guys are getting requests for some of these high-end condos in New York.
Absolutely.
And like getting wire in some of those locations can be challenging.
100%. And then you also have to deal with the surges and the sags and the spikes in the grid. And
which is why you're recommending the...
Yes. So exactly, because what happens is the more strain you put on that motor. You're pushing around thousands of pounds here.
Yeah.
It's funny, I get some of these comments online and people are snarky. Oh my God, it takes a minute and a half to open that thing. Show's over by then. Well, number one, again,
Is that how long it takes to open?
90 seconds.
90 seconds?
So what happens is, this is, again, just the weight that you're dealing with, and the weight that you're dealing with, it's going to require a little more power than firing up your blender or your coffee maker at 6:30 in the morning, and to get your day going. So
Yeah, but if you fire up the coffee maker and you hit I can have the guys program the same button to turn on the TV as the coffee, and it's all done in 90 seconds.
you absolutely, what's your control system?
Just one little button, we can have it all come together. Have the lighting set for you. We can do it all.
We can integrate, absolutely. We love that.
Shades drop, screen opens. I'm envisioning it now.
And fire up every morning show, whether it's
up.
business, whether it's the Today Show, Good Morning America. I'm agnostic to all of that. But 6 speakers in here. We've got a sub integrated in here as well, but we also do
In the screen, you have the speakers?
Yeah, there's 3 speakers on each side, and then the sub is integrated into the base here. One of the beauties about this also. Thank you. Yeah, my engineering team, they're
Genius. All right, Dreamedia family, that is a wrap on the CC Folding TV out here at CEDIA 2025. If you'd like to do an extreme project like this, inquire about our Dreamedia Plus program. We go above and beyond to deliver everything from schematics, full layouts of every single speaker wire in the home or the home theater, in addition to installation, the service, and programming of all of your smart devices, whether we're talking televisions or smart home products or high-end home cinema. Dreamedia is your specialist, and we would love the opportunity to earn your business. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and found it informative in the latest and greatest in folding TV technology today from CC. If you enjoyed today's video, give me a big thumbs up, and do not forget to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia. Thank you for watching.